In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slides in Figma. If you already use Figma for design, you'll love how seamlessly it handles presentations too. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Figma's slides experience, pick a starting point that suits your content, and expand your deck with additional slides while keeping everything clean and consistent. I'll also share simple tips along the way so you can move confidently without getting bogged down in extra setup. First, open Figma and head to your home screen. This is the dashboard where you normally see your recent files and projects, whether you're using the desktop app or a browser. Make sure you're on the main home view so the presentation tools are easy to find. You don't need to prepare anything special beforehand. Just start from home, where Slides is surfaced alongside your files and team spaces. Think of this as your jump-off point for creating a new, presentation-focused file without leaving the familiar Figma environment. Next, click Slides at the top right. This opens Figma's dedicated presentation mode, which gives you a streamlined workspace designed for creating slide decks. You'll notice that everything still feels like Figma, but the interface is tailored for slide layouts and flow. This keeps your focus on storytelling rather than file setup. It also means you can keep all your design work and slides in one place, making it simple to reuse visuals, stay on brand, and avoid juggling multiple tools. Now choose a template you like or start from scratch. Templates are a great way to save time and guarantee a cohesive look from your title slide to your closing notes. Pick a style that matches your purpose: professional, minimal, bold, or playful, and plan to replace the placeholder content with your own text and visuals. If you prefer full control, starting from scratch gives you a blank slide where you set the tone. Either way, select an option that makes it easy to keep your typography, spacing, and color choices consistent across the deck. When you're ready to expand, click New Slide to add another slide. Use this to build your narrative one piece at a time: an opener that frames your topic, a few slides that explain your key points, and a closing slide that reinforces your takeaway. Keep each slide focused on one main idea to maintain clarity, and aim for visual consistency so viewers can follow along without distraction. That's it. You opened Figma, entered slides, chose your starting point and added slides. You're ready to refine your content and bring your presentation to life.